Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved questions on array, string, two pointer, sliding window, prefix sum, hash map and set, stack, queues, linked list, and now we have to solve questions on binary tree. Okay, so the first question is maximum depth of binary tree. So given a root of a binary tree in a function, here is given a root of in binary tree, you have to return the maximum depth. So what is the maximum depth of a binary tree? So the number of nodes along with longest path. Maximum depth is basically the number of nodes present in a longest path from root to leaf node. Okay, so what this question, let's suppose there is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the binary tree and you have to return the maximum depth. Maximum depth is basically the number of nodes along with longest part from root node to the farthest leaf node. So the leaf node is 2 2 4 2 4 and 5. So these three are leaf node. The ending most node is a leaf node. Okay, so what is the longest part? There is only a 1 2. Okay, here is also a 2. So how many nodes are present is there? 1. The first is 1 2. Either you can take this or take this. So the maximum is 3. So you have to return 3. Okay, I hope you understand. In the same way, there is a again given a question, root node is 1 and then null means there is no node in a left side, and here is 2. Okay, and here is null. So what is you have to return the maximum depth. Maximum depth is basically the number of nodes present in a longest. So the longest is only 1. So how many nodes are present? Here is first 1 and 2. So 2 nodes are present. 2 nodes are present in the longest. Okay, so I hope you understand this code. It can be solved from with the help of recursion. So how can you approach this question? First you have to check if root is equals to null. If root is null, okay, then you just have to return the 0, which is the base case. Okay, this is the base case. You have to return 0. Okay, and then you just have to find the left height and right height. Okay, this is the equals to, not greater than. You have to find the left height and right height. How do you find? You again call the same function, but the root is root ka left. Okay, you just have to call the function in a root ka left, and again root ka right. You just have to call it. Okay, and after this you just have to return 1 plus maximum of RH comma LH. You just have to return this. Okay, so I hope you understand this pseudocode. So let's write this. First you have to check if root is equals to null, then you just have to return 0. Okay, and again you just have to check int LH equals to max depth root ka left. Okay, you just have to call it root ka left and int rh equals to max depth root ka right. Okay, you just have to move it, and then you just have to return the maximum of LH. You just have to return the maximum of LH comma RH. Okay, you just have to return it. Sorry, 1 plus maximum. Okay, 1 plus maximum of LH comma RH. So let's run this code. No, there is spelling mistake. So let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.